Hi, are you ready to make a timeline with me? Okay, first, make sure you have all your materials that you need. So you're going to need 4 pieces of paper about this size. And I didn't have that size paper, so I ripped my big piece and I made 4 little pieces. You're going to need bigger paper, and I also did not have bigger paper, so I took 2 pieces of paper and I used some tape on the back and taped them together to make a nice big piece of paper. So you'll need 4 little pieces, 1 big piece. You're going to need a pencil, you're going to need glue or tape, and crayons. So if you haven't gotten all those things together yet, pause the video please and go get your things so you're ready to make your timeline with me. I'm so excited. Okay, so you're back, you're ready? First thing you need to do is take your ideas for your 4 events. And I had a hard time narrowing it down to just 4, and you might have too, but I did it. So I have my 4 events. And then you're going to take your 4 pieces of paper and you're going to draw a picture on each piece of paper to show your event from your life to put on your timeline. So mine were, this one is Welcome to Kindergarten. This is the day I met you at open house. Put that in my timeline. And this is a picture of me, and I have in the picture I put Mr. Ang and Alex and Zach. This is the day we became a family of 4, the day Zach was born. So I want that in my timeline. And here's a picture of Mr. Ang and I getting married. That was a big event in my life. And so I drew a picture of that. And this is the day I was born. That's pretty important, right? Do you have one for are you thinking you're going to do one for the day you were born? This is me as a baby at the hospital with balloons and flowers, and it's a girl. So I have that. So you're going to need to draw each event that you picked on one of your papers. So once you have those drawn, you can then color them. So I started coloring. You can see I started to color the baby one, but I haven't colored all of mine yet. I'll need to do that. Once you get those ready, put them aside, and then get your, sorry, my nose is itchy. I have hand sanitizer right here, don't you worry. Touch my nose, clean my hands. So it's allergy season, right? Okay. So I have my big paper, and on my big paper, what I need to do is draw a line. Remember the timeline line? So I'm going to try and angle this down so you can watch me. But what I'm going to do is I'm not going to draw it close to the top. I'm going to draw it closer to the bottom so I can fit my pictures on. So watch. I'm going to draw across my bottom of my paper like this. Okay. So that's going to leave me room to put my events in order. And then I might even have some room at the top to write like a title, My Timeline, right? And then we need room at the bottom to write what the events are. So see what I did? Let me show you. I'll hold up my paper so you can see. You're going to need to take your pencil and draw a line across closer to the bottom, but not right at the bottom because you need some room to write some words under the line. Pictures are going to go on top of the line. Words are going to go under the line. Okay, see where I did that? All right. Once you draw your line, then you get to put your events in order. So, take all your 4 pieces and decide which came first. So you can watch me do that. I'll do that right here. Okay, so here's my timeline. I'm going to face you guys. So what came first? I was born first, right? So I'm going to put that down first. And then after I was born, did I meet you? No. Next, I got married. So that's event goes next. So see how I'm ordering my events? Just like in a story, right? A timeline is events in order. After I got married, then I became a family of 4. And then last event on my timeline for today is the day I met you for open house. Okay. See how I did that? I put my events in order. Okay, now that they're in order, I'm going to glue them down. I'm going to take my glue. I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to glue them real quick and I'll come back. Welcome back. So I glued my pictures onto my paper in order. So now it's time to make the little dashes that we learned about that show each event on the timeline. So if you can watch me now, I'm going to, underneath baby girl, I'm going to make a line right like that on my timeline. And then underneath this one, I'm going to make a line going across my timeline like that. And then for becoming a family, that gets a line on my timeline. And then meeting you. Okay, see how I did that? So now I'm going to put underneath this little line the date that it happened and then a sentence to tell what it was. So right here I'm going to write my birthday, which is March 30th, 1966. And then I'm going to say I was born. And then under this one I'll write a date, and this one I'll write a date, this one I'll write a date. And I'm going to write across the top Mrs. Ang's timeline. So I'm going to do that and I'll show you when I'm finished. Okay, I finished. See? Let me show you. At the top I wrote Mrs. Ang's timeline, and then you can see that I have all my events in order, and then at the bottom, start over here, I wrote the year 1966, March 30th, I was born. The year 1989, March 25th, I got married. Then the next one says 1993, July 3rd, Zach was born. We are a family of 4. And then right there at the end, 2019, August 29th, I met my new kindergarten class at open house. There you go, Mrs. Ang's timeline. Are you ready to finish yours? I can't wait to see all of them. Please make sure you take a picture and share it with me on Schoology, or if it's easier, you can send it through Dojo so I can see a photograph of all our fun lives. I can't wait. So excited. Have a great day.